Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will provide you with a full guide on how to disable stories notifications in Snapchat. If you're tired of being constantly notified about new stories from your friends, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Snapchat settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notifications settings. In the notifications menu, look for the option labeled Stories from Friends, and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch. Simply disable it to turn off stories notifications from your friends. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable stories notifications in Snapchat and enjoy a more personalized experience without constant alerts about your friends' stories. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.